Aduane de kakra ho be also bi ni okra. Aduane makoma ko bi also in school ni mu kra.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rounds with me, The Voice, right here on this NPP page. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There was a news that was trending, and then it was reported by City Newsroom, My Joy, and the other major platforms. And it said there was a directive from CHAS, the secretary, that those children who are going to senior high school, who are resuming school, they should come with as much food as they can. As I say, the various campuses. Now, and then I think the president of CHAS has come out and said that's not what they meant. Damage control. Damage control. As I said, the secretary of CHAS, he was very clear. He was very clear in saying, Ediani bi any campuses, senior high schools, there's no food there. And when the children are coming in, they should come in with gari, shito, kube, cassava dough, corn dough, corn flour, any kokunte flour, ademe, palm nut, everything they can get. Yes, that is it. So this, whatever I'm very sure say Obi friend overnight to threaten him. Because when you say NDC phones with the power there, buga, and see they will not allow you say you go and grant an interview and the interview will make them unpopular. Already, so they are saying say Mahama is a supreme leader and no one can talk about Mahama. And so coupled with that, now headmasters cannot talk. But the truth of the matter, they say this is what you don't know. And listen to me carefully. The reason there is shortage of food now in the senior high school is because after 7th December, at our election, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia came to concede, NDC grassroots for, they went on rampage. And in some of the regions, the regional buffer stock offices, they stock food down for senior high school, they went to loot those offices. So all the stock of food that the Ministry of Education had procured so that when school resumes, whether there's a change of government or not, they can send to the schools. They went to take the food and everything and they've made away with it. That is the truth of the matter. And CHAS is scared of telling people straightforward, say, this is what has happened, and so this is why they are asking, say, they must, the children should come to the various schools with food. But we will be here to tell you. And you see, it serves as Ghanaians right. It serves us right. Because, every year, Nankro for 50,000 could not be make it to senior high school because they didn't have money. Obi buy ni first year 2017 or see I want to pay the school fees of everybody that goes to senior high school. And I started say or just can. Where you na name say enya de bia na everything you want to do ni ubenya no 100%. Sometimes unforeseen circumstances happen. And as a people, we were supposed to have understood, say, government, and we're supposed to support government. But and from headmasters to even the very children who are coming from poor background like myself, to all of them, they started criticizing and saying all manner of things about Akufo-Addo because of the good thing he said he would do, that is free senior high school. A time came, we are
okay. Na Charles Yemfale then chokate bia ma bontre enra and I'm a secretary and so granting interview of My Joy. No money didn't come school media say tie no work say aduane de kakra ho be also bi ni okra. The makoma could be also in school ni mukra. And he say, you be jam of Fano Mokotold and no abonance for there. Who the neighbor school, I was selling in a good box, we say, kakri benyama no de bi asoso ne wapon say de benya aduane de afidi won enti yanka se kabanku ne abete ne fufuo ne fa kure chobo se man fa de benya sa ne ka e de tere say so be kaya ansa na bi school no ye de to GS enum say
allow the likes of Honorable Kujeto to come and say, and people are eating expired rice. We were asking, say, how can you cook expired rice if the rice is expired? Will it even still be in proper shape to be cooked for people to consume? But still, Ghanaians said they will not. They don't care about that. They are cooking expired rice, so John Mahama should come and save them. John Mahama, come and save us. Come and save us. Come and save us. Now John Mahama is here. After I won the election, they ordered their people to go into government buildings and steal things. Now they have gone and they have stolen the food that is for your children. And now they are telling you, Charles is telling you, see, you can decide to accept or not. But if you have a child and your child is going to school this January, in the senior high school, say kokontia famano, say a work play a war famano, say a condua, make sure say odibiko, corn cassava do. Anything you can lay your hands on, amani, momoni, smoked tilapia, 1,000, anything. Because there is going to be hunger promise in the senior high schools because of what NDC has done. But first talk, they don't do magical. They had the food in stock. It has been stolen because NDC won an election. We saw it on TV. And NDC leadership did not see it worthy, calling them to order. Say, oh, people, stop what you are doing. Stop it. Stop it. It's not right. It's not right. Stop it. NDC saw nothing wrong with it. And so we are all here now. And let's see how many Ghanaians will have the financial muscle, the financial strength at this time to make sure that their children that are going to the senior high schools now, they have enough food to eat. If you say someone is doing some and you don't want to recognize it, if someone has done some for you and you want to be ungrateful and you've been ungrateful to the person, this is what you would get. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Including my own people who I know, who went to vote for NDC and who saw how NDC was ransacking places and saw nothing wrong with it. I'm so happy. Let's see how it is done. But so this thing that the Charles president is coming to say now, see, the secretary has already said it. He was straightforward and clear. There is no food in the senior high schools. There is no food. No food. Now there, it is normal, say, somebody can go to senior high school and send Gary and Shito. Because Akufo-Addo is no more president. So now headmasters understand, say, you can send small, you also receive small in that. Hey, Ghana. Why? This has been your favorite, The Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. And very soon, our page will be going through rebranding. And your favorite GCN TV page is going to be Ghana and Sem TV. Right? So let somebody know. Please comment, share the live, share the like with people. Bye-bye.